Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Proxy. Charles Proxy is an essential tool for web developers, allowing you to see all the network traffic between your computer and the internet. It acts as a man in the middle, giving you full visibility into HTTP and HTTPS requests and responses. This helps you understand how your applications communicate, debug issues, and optimize performance. We will cover everything from installation to advanced features in 4 easy steps. Getting started with Charles Proxy is straightforward. First, download the application from the official website, ensuring you select the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the installation wizard. After installation, you will need to configure your web browser or mobile device to route its traffic through Charles. Crucially, install the Charles SSL certificate to enable decryption of HTTPS traffic, allowing you to inspect secure communications. With Charles Proxy running, you can immediately start inspecting traffic. The main window displays requests and responses in either a structured tree view or a chronological sequence. Utilize the powerful filter tool to quickly find relevant traffic by host or path. For testing, the rewrite tool lets you alter requests or responses on the fly, while map local allows serving files from your local disk. You can also simulate slow network speeds using the throttling feature. Beyond basic inspection, Charles Proxy offers advanced debugging capabilities. Breakpoints are incredibly useful. They let you intercept and modify requests or responses before they reach their destination or your application. The repeat tool is perfect for resending a request many times, which is great for performance testing. You can also export your entire recorded session in several formats for detailed analysis or to share with your team. Finally, explore reverse proxies for routing traffic to different backend servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.